wife is also called helpmeet. In Genesis chapter 2 verse 18, and the Lord God said, it is not good that man should be alone. I will make him an help meet for him. So God, in the beginning of creation, already factored in that man needs help. And it takes humility to acknowledge that you need help. Pride will prevent you from accessing help. In the beginning, this was before man fell. So you cannot say it's because man fell that we need help. Me, I need help. Oh. I need help. Oh. I need help. Oh. So the question now is, where does help come from?